Hello everyone and welcome back. So today is an amazing day and I want to share something special for you. Our small channel that we just started to teach everyone programming has reached and crossed 1000 subscriber mark. So this is a really special achievement for us, and as a token of appreciation we want to celebrate all of this with you all. So to celebrate this milestone, we are coming up with a special challenge for our learners. We are calling this challenge as 100-day Java Programming Challenge, where we will be pushing all the boundaries to learn new things together. Now this challenge is valid for all the subscribers of this channel, and as the part of the challenge there are a lot of benefits that you get access to. So the number one benefit is you get access, or I should say you get free access to one of my best-selling Java courses. Now this Java course has hours and hours of content. Many of my students who have taken this course have landed a better job in the world of Java, and they have been able to kickstart their Java career, or if they were experienced, they have been able to get better positions in their company. So whoever is participating in this challenge gets free access to this course. The second benefit that you have over here is you get access to our community and amazing group of learners. So again, this is absolutely free. And the third benefit that you get access to is free support throughout the duration of the challenge. So if you are participating in this challenge and if you have any questions, doubt, or if you get stuck anywhere, you would be getting support personally from myself. I will be helping you there in the community with any questions that you might have. So these are the free benefits that you're getting access to. Now the question is, how do you participate in this particular challenge and what do you have to do? So participating in this challenge is really simple. You need to head over to the description of this particular video and click on the link. There is a link that I have provided where you can join our exclusive Discord community. So after joining the Discord community, you will see a channel called 100-Day Challenge. So you have to join that channel and you have to introduce yourself. You have to mention who you are, where you are signing up from, why are you joining this challenge, and your goals in the next 100 days. Okay, and how are you going to master Java programming? So just post this in the group. This will help us know you better, and it will also help the other community members know you well. So once you have posted your introduction in the group, you will be provided with a access link, which will be a free link using which you can enroll into the course. So this is a process. Okay, it's a very simple process. There is no catch at all. And the goal of this challenge, like I mentioned before, is to get you up to speed with programming during the span of next 100 days. So in next 100 days, we will focus on learning with the help of the course that you're getting access to. So what you have to do is daily, you have to watch a few lessons from the course. You have to set reminders like on your phone, or you can even use email reminders or any particular app on your phone to get reminders, and you have to study daily along with the community, post your progress daily. Okay, so you have to be really active in the group. You have to share daily updates as to how it's going with Java and what have you finished. So that's about the challenge and how you can participate in the challenge, and also how it will benefit you as a learner. Okay, the main thing or the most important thing about this challenge after participation is to share daily progress updates in the group with everyone. So you have to set some accountability for yourself. You have to share that these are my learning goals for this week. Okay, and today I'm completing these videos from the course. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions in the group, in the community. I'm always there to help you along with other learners who are learning with you. Okay, so this is going to be an amazing journey together. And also, I would like to mention that this particular challenge is open for a specific duration. We don't have any dates yet, but I'll be announcing the dates soon. So be sure to join and enroll as soon as possible, because these free benefits that I just spoke about won't be there forever. And these are just being provided to our learners who have supported us in reaching this amazing milestone of 1000 subscriber mark on this channel. So are you excited? I'm super excited to see you all on Discord. Let's get started.